Bed Chronicles. Hey y'all. Dinner in the bed is my fave, and today, Haitian food, my favorite. I've been craving it. My mouth is watering. So this is griot, which is fried pork. This is black rice with like the gravy they give you to go on top. Fried green plantain, and my favorite pickles, which is gonna give me heartburn. And then Reg got us some pineapple soda. We'll see how that is. Y'all, I just don't have it in me to cook. This rice. If you've never tried Haitian food, go try it. It's so good. Pretty much tastes like a pineapple Fanta. This pickles is gonna give me heartburn. And I don't care. It's just so good. As y'all know, I'm about to eat and go to bed. Hope y'all have a good night. Bye, y'all.